Guys, I'm at my grandma's house today, hanging out with her cat Charlie, well my cat Charlie. I picked her out back in 2000 and unfortunately she's going to be put down tomorrow because she's just not well. It's a bit sad today, so I'm spending some time here with her and hanging out with my gran. I've stopped past Two Dudes Kitchen for a sneaky coffee. Pretty sad about having to put my grandma's cat down, but it also comes to a time when these things have to happen, so yeah. Anyway, to uni and hopefully be around some loving people who will make me have a bit of a laugh. Coffee team. Dinner time. Dinner date. That is the most disgusting microwave I've ever seen. Someone needs to do something about that. That is feral. Ugh. I'm gonna catch something for putting my food in here. You're too tall. Taking this baby princess home. We've been being studious, doing work, and we're gonna head home. And I don't know about you, I'm gonna go to sleep. Anyway, catch you tomorrow.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.